Bienvenidos a los Poconos y espero que puedan disfrutar y quedarse más tiempo. My name is Rosy. I'm the face behind Let's Celebrate with Rous. Since I was a little girl, I'm always a creative person. Like always, I'm a baker, home baker, and I'm a balloon designer. This business is like a dream for me because I can create all the things I have in mind with my customers and make that connection with my customers and bring that creation real. In 2021, I want to quit my job and I say what I'm gonna do because I don't want to just get another job. I want to work for me. And I remember telling my sister, you know what? I think I can work with balloons. And she said, okay, go ahead. And I start creating cakes for my friends and family. And that's how everything started. My favorite part of my business is the connection I have with my customers. I'm a people person. I love serve people. When somebody tell me, oh, can you do this for me? Can you do that? And we get the ideas together and I can create something for them. That makes me feel so complete. That makes me feel so happy. I remember one of my very first customers, a friend of mine in Miami. She told me, oh, Rosy, I sent this information to Chani. She lives in the Poconos. Listen, my friend is in Miami. How she's gonna, okay. By surprise, she needs somebody who makes a cake, a Dominican cake, and a party setup in a restaurant. When she found me, it was like a big connection. I did everything she needed, and she called me, I don't know how to thank you because I always do everything for my family and today you did it for me. So I feel so grateful when customers have this experience and how we can give a memorable experience for the customers and the person who they celebrating. I would love to have a bakery one day with all the details, decorations, and like I can say, this is mine, I create this. The Poconos for me is nature, is peace, is like you can breathe. And the connection with my business and with the people here, they need it. They need Dominican cake in the Poconos. They always complaining because they have to travel so far. And when they found me, they say, oh, finally have a Dominican bakery here in the Poconos. So that connection make me feel like I don't want to go nowhere. I feel happy here. They support me. That's the community here in the Poconos. If I say I'm gonna be in a fair, they just go and say, I'm here because you post on social media and I want to support your business. I believe the Poconos is growing. A lot of people moving here because the lifestyle you have in the Poconos, a lot of investment. I feel it's gonna be a really good future for the Poconos and for the people who invest here in their business. On Facebook, you can find me like Dominican Cake by Rous, and on Instagram, you can find me like Let's Celebrate with Rous _USA. I just want to say that Pocono Mountains is a new beginning for me. It's a new beginning for my business because that's a dream I have. I know over here I have the opportunity to grow my business.